Hello guys, welcome back. If you're new, I'm Maggie. I am a very part-time reseller on the Poshmark app, and if you're back, welcome back, my little weirdos. And I've had pain today in my neck and in my back, and I know it's just because I sit so much to write and I sit so much to drive. Because I'm a social worker and that's what I do. I sit to interview, I sit to drive, I sit to write. And so I went and got a massage this morning and took the rest of the day off from being a person who writes and sits. And I listed some items, which was good, active, but not too physically exerting activity for a person with a backache and a neck ache, and then I laid down and rested for a little bit. So now I'm going to lean up against this big old pillow so my back and neck will be comfy, and I'm going to measure this big basket of jeans here that I'm going to show you. I'm going to get them all measured up so that I can list them this weekend. So I'm just going to show them to you real quick. Okay. These are a pair of the limited Simply Straight denim jeans. That's what that looks like. They are skinny legs. They are very in very good shape. They still have the little stitches on them where they stitch on the tags on the back, and they're size 12. They're plain, but they really look like good jeans. So those are some of the ones I'm going to be listing. Here's a pair of guys' jeans, which I don't sell a lot of guys' stuff, but I remember, oh, excuse me, itchy nose, finding some good comps on these. These are a pair of Morrison jeans, and they're nicely factory distressed. They are straight legs, and they've got the leather patch on the back, and I think they're size 34, 32. I think so. Maybe. Let me look. I can't see it right now. That's weird. Anyway, I'm sure I'll figure it out as I'm listing them. So there's those. This is a pair of Not Your Daughter's jeans, size 14. This is what that tag looks like. I've always liked that brand. Not Your Daughter's jeans is just cute, and the backs are kind of swervy and vintagey looking. And those look to be a pretty high rise, so that's exciting. Straight legs, possibly cropped. They're a little short looking. You've already seen those shorts, but I'm gonna get those ready. Here are a pair of AG jeans. That's Adriano Goldschmied. They're super cute. Super cute little distressed jeans, and they've got the distressing on the pockets and some in the back. Very, very cute. And here's that tag. Adriana Goldschmied, and it says they are the, oh, I thought there was a style, the Tomboy Relax Straight. So hopefully those will do well. I don't remember what size they are. Let me get that real quick. 27 regular, so that's pretty skinny. They don't look that skinny, but that's pretty darn skinny to me. Okay, the next pair of jeans I have here are Royalty jeans by YMI. I don't think that these are very fancy. They're size 12. And their pockets are a little bit messed up. If you'll see on the back, this happens to everybody. You get home and you realize you're missing some little somethings. Some of the sparkles that are on this side are not on this side. So I might do something creative with those, or I might just see if they fit me or a friend. I may not list those. Okay, these are X2 jeans, X2 quality denim. You can hear my dog. She takes keeping me safe very seriously, and I just allow her to do it. These are high-waist, wide leg jeans by X2. They're so cute. Such a cute little pocket front, and as you can see, the legs are very wide. Super cute little trouser back. So those are nice. These are teeny, teeny, tiny. And they are size 0. I was born bigger than that, but that's okay. They're cute jeans, and size 0 girls need some jeans too. Here's a pair of Lucky jeans. The Sophia straight cut. They are size, excuse me, they are size, I cannot tell. Suspicious. I'm sure I'll be able to tell. I'm just not really firing on all cylinders this evening because of my back and neck. But anyway, you can see what they look like. They're cute, just cute little Lucky jeans, and they are a straight leg. So I'll get those listed. Some of these are jeans that my son bought. He wanted to sell on Poshmark, and then he decided he wasn't into it. So I said, I'll just take your stuff and I will list it myself. These are Big Star denim jeans, the Sweet 20, and they are size 24 long. 24, that's small. Anywho, they're very cute. Look at it. Big Star denim. Let's see that. There's that, and you can see on the back that little embroidered part that says the name. Yes, those are very cute. Just like the others, though. I was born bigger than a 2. Or 24. Anyway, these are Indigo Rain, size 5, and they have quite a bit of really cool distressing on them. You can see on the back pocket, really cool, all down the front, just really interesting factory distress and some little zipper details on the sides. So I think those will go well. I don't have a lot of this small sizes in my closet, so it's good that I have this basket full of them, so hopefully they'll be bundleable. Here is a pair of 7 jeans. 7 jeans, and they are size 28, and they just have the usual little scribble there for the 7 jeans, and they're pretty typical of the 7 jeans. A little bit of distressing and a little bit of a flare. So those are very cute. Super cute. So yeah, I'm gonna get all those listed. Like I said, most of them came from my son, so those won't go to waste for our family. Anyway, thank you very much for coming back. I don't know about you guys, if there's anybody out there who has a job like mine where you sit for too long and write for too long or drive for too long and your back gets to hurting, but a little side hustle that is just a little bit more physically, not strenuous, but just, has a little bit more emotion involved in it is really healthy for me. So anyway, it was a pleasure to see you guys again, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you very much. Oh, I sold a bundle tonight, so I will check in with you on that tomorrow. I think the reason it sold is because I added in that free highlighter and bronzer palette. So I just have a few more of those left, and then they'll be gone. So anyway, thank you so much for stopping by again, and I will see you at the next video. Bye, weirdos.